Hey midterm students, my name is Lori Colombani and I'm your instructor for MA 70 this semester. Hard to believe we're already at Friday in the first week of the spring 2021 semester. I want to welcome you to the class personally and tell you that I'm really looking forward to this class together with all of you in this journey, and that I'm here to support each and every one of you in every way that I possibly can. I see that many of you have gotten a start on the class, which is exciting, and some of you are just getting started, and some of you just added. So wherever you're at, know that I'm here to support you. If you haven't started the class yet, I want to remind you that the orientation module is due this Sunday by midnight. If you foresee any problems with that, hey, just reach out and let me know. The best way to contact me is probably through the Canvas messaging box. I check that frequently. I also see many of you using the Q&A answer discussion, which is a great way to throw questions out when I'm not available. Some of your classmates may have the answer and be able to get back to you before I do. Wow, I just finished a long day at work, which is why I'm looking like this, and I'm happy it's Friday. But again, my main goal today was to just welcome you and to let you know that I'm here for you this semester. So I'd love to see any of you pop into my office hours. By the way, I'm probably going to change the day so that I have more availability during the week. Still have Tuesdays, but I'm going to expand on that, and I will send you out a message to let you know. Periodically be checking in for announcements, check your email, make sure your email is up to date in the web advisor system so that when I send out announcements, they get to you. All right, I think that's all for now. Keep going, get started. It's a big adventure, and I'm really excited. I'll be checking in with you at least weekly, but if you need anything in the interim, just reach out. All right, y'all, welcome to the class and happy Friday. See you all soon. Bye.